I welcome you all to RKP online classes. Today we are going to continue our topic, that is teeth. And which topic we are going to do today? Today, structure of tooth. What do you mean by tooth? A single teeth, right? Structure of tooth. Now what is structure of tooth? If you will see your tooth, you will see it is one small white hard structure. Yes, but in the previous video I have told you that our jaws hold the teeth very hardly together. So if I say this is teeth and these are jaws, teeth are present like this. Teeth are present like this. In upper jaw they are present like this, and in lower jaw they are present like this. No. अगर ऐसे होता then teeth can fall at any time, बहुत easily fall हो जाते. So how the teeth are held? Very strongly by the jaws. Some of the portion of the teeth are present inside the jaw also. That is why they are very hardly, strongly present by hold by the jaws. Upper jaw like this and lower jaw like this. So it means some part of the tooth is above the jaws, means gums. Some part of the tooth is below the jaws, means gums. It means the first type of structure of tooth we are going to do is parts of a tooth. Parts means upper part or lower part. Basically the shape of the tooth is like this. Clear? Suppose these are the gums. Clear? So this white portion is which is visible above the gums. ये white portion वो है जो आपको visible होता है above the gums, and this portion is below the gums. This is not visible. ये हमें visible नहीं होता, but it is there. So like this. See, like this. Some portion is below the gums which is not visible, and some portion is above the gums which is white in white color and it is visible. So basically there are three parts of tooth. How we can say three? One which is present above the gums and which is visible, one which is present below the gums and which is not visible, and one which is present here in between upper part and lower part. So the part of the tooth which is above the gums and which is white and it is visible, that is known as crown. What it is known as? Crown. What it is known as? Crown. What it is known as? Crown. And the part which is below the gums is known as root. What it is known as? Root. Like in chapter plants also we have done, some portion of the plant is below the ground which hold the plant very tightly, that are roots. Same the way some portion of the tooth is below the gums which hold the teeth or tooth very tightly, that portion is known as root. And the portion in between crown and root, this portion, it is known as neck. What it is known as? Neck. What it is known as? Neck. Upper part, middle part, lower part. Crown, neck, root. Crown क्या होता है? You must have heard ताज which we wear above our head, सबसे ऊपर जो होता है. So upper portion is crown, middle portion is neck, and the lowermost portion is root. Crown, neck, root. Crown, neck, root. And root is the portion which is holding the tooth inside the gums very hardly, tightly. Clear? Next type of structure of tooth. A tooth is not that बहुत plain paper की तरह sheet की तरह नहीं होता है. It has some structure inside it. Have you ever eaten chocolate ice cream? Chocolate ice cream बिल्कुल plain नहीं होती है, थोड़ी round shape में होती है. कैसे होती है? If you have eaten, then you must have observed when we eat, the upper layer is of chocolate, and when we remove the outermost layer is of chocolate, and when we remove the outermost layer, the layer of milk comes, right? और कई चॉकलेट आइसक्रीम तो ऐसी होती है, देन आफ्टर द लेयर ऑफ मिल्क अगेन अ लेयर ऑफ चॉकलेट इज देयर. So outermost layer, if we will remove, layer, if we will remove, then again one inner layer. So 3 layers of tooth is there. So which type of structure we are doing? Layers of a tooth. Layers means उसको कवर कौन कर रही है, सबसे बाहर, फिर उसके अंदर, फिर उसके अंदर. So again we will draw structure of tooth. Shape of tooth is like this. Clear? The outermost layer, ये जो लेयर है, it is the outermost layer जो हमें visible होती है. This layer is known as enamel. What it is known as? 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 Enamel. This layer, and this is the substance which is the hardest substance in our body. Very important question. Hardest substance in our body. You will say that, ma'am, in our body the hardest substance is bone. It is harder than bone also. हमारी bone से भी hard होती है, हमारी हड्डी से भी hard होती है. How? If we will try to break a bone, it can be broken down, but if you will try to break only the enamel part of the tooth, it will not be broken down. If you will try to break it, whole tooth will break, पूरा का पूरा tooth टूट जाएगा, but you cannot damage or you cannot break down only the outer layer. It is the hardest substance of human body. So your question is to write, you have to write this question also, and very important question it is, which is the hardest substance of human body? Which is the hardest substance of human body? Clear? Now this was the first layer. We will draw second layer. This is the second layer. This is known as dentine. What it is known as? Dentine. What it is known as? Dentine. What it is known as? Dentine. First layer is enamel. Second layer is dentine. Dentine is also hard, very hard, but not as hard as enamel. Hard होती है, but enamel से कम होती है. Clear? But it is also hard. Let us come upon the last layer, that is pulp. Which layer is that? Pulp. अगर आपने कभी कोई टूटा हुआ देखा होगा, then you must have observed at that place a very soft layer is there, and blood is also coming out at that time. जब कोई टूटता है तो blood जरूर निकल रहा होता है. Why? हम तो नहीं कहते कि teeth के अंदर blood है, but all our body parts get blood. हर body part तक blood आता है. So tooth also receive the blood through a tube-like structure known as blood vessels. Through a tube-like structure known as blood vessels. In our body, blood reaches to each and every part of our body through a tube-like structure known, and there are several number of that tube-like structure, and that are known as blood vessels. And we also know that all our body parts are connected to the brain, whether directly or indirectly. You have to remember this thing, that all the parts of our body are controlled by our brain. Like we say that CPU is the brain of the computer, because CPU controls all the activity of the computer. Similarly, our brain control each and every activity of our body, because all the organs of our body are connected to the brain, whether directly or indirectly, and they are connected with the help of special structure known as nerves. What they are known as? Nerves. So all the blood vessels and nerves are connected to the tooth at this portion of the tooth, pulp. That is why when a tooth break, it breaks from the part known as pulp. और यहाँ से अगर टूट गया, so it means blood vessels also disconnected, टूट जाएंगे यहाँ से. That is why blood appears here. Clear? So this was the structure of tooth. What you have to do, you have to draw the diagram of two things. First, parts of tooth, upper part, middle part, lower part. Second, layers of tooth, outermost layer, middle layer and innermost layer. Let us revise parts of tooth. The first part of tooth is crown, the white visible portion of tooth. The middle portion of tooth is neck, and the lowermost portion which is present inside the gums, that is root. Then comes layers of tooth. The outermost layer is enamel. And what is the special thing about enamel? Enamel is the hardest substance of human body. Clear? Middle portion of tooth, dentine. So middle layer of tooth, dentine. And innermost layer of tooth, pulp, which is very soft, and all the blood vessels or nerves are connected to the tooth at this portion. Clear? So this was the end of the topic, structure of tooth. You have to draw the diagram, and if you are not able to draw it by yourself, and you have to draw separately, parts of tooth separately, layers of tooth separately. And if you need any help, the diagram is given on page number 62. What it is, where it is given? Page number 62. Clear?